Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a low sleek bun. So basically you just need gel to gel down your hair, and then hairpiece. You can use any, like I used Darling. I know there's also Expression, and there's also many other hair pieces, to be honest. So basically I just put it into like a small little bun. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do it, but also you can also leave it without having to put it in a bun. Really, like it can be, for example, if I try to undo it, it can look like this. It can be thicker, but I had like small hair piece left, so I had to use like really small thin one. So yeah, it was very thin, but it can look like this, or you can even unbraid it, as you guys see in the tutorial as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, give this video a big massive thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Goodbye. I hope you guys enjoy. So I firstly start off by sectioning my hair into small parts. I first start at the back and apply the gel, and then I move on to the front and apply the gel. So I'm using the Eco Style gel, and this one is the argan oil one. And so I start with the back part. As you can see, I'm still sectioning it, and then I just apply it on the back, but I don't apply it all the way to the end of the hair, just from the roots and then just midsection, where I'm basically going to use that hair tie to tie it. And then I use a brush that is hard enough but also soft for my hair to just lay it down. This takes a long time, especially if you have 4C hair. And I tried blow drying my hair. I just really hate heat on my hair, so if you don't like using heat, then you don't have to. I just didn't blow dry it all the way. That's why I was really irritated with the heat. And then I'm going to apply it also in front. And as you can see, mine is a middle part, but obviously you can just do like a full sleek to the back. I just like middle parts because I feel like they look better on me. I don't know. They're just a preference. And I'm still going to section it in the front and brush it down. As you guys can see, this process really takes long, so you need to take your time with it, and you might have to use quite a lot of product if you have really coarse hair like mine. Mine is really thick and coarse, so that might take a while, and you might have to use quite a lot of product. And keep on brushing it down and then tying it at the back so that it stays in place until you have the texture that you want. on, I'm gonna use a head wrap to just set the hair so that the gel stays in place, and it's basically just set in place for like the whole day. So then I'm gonna use a moisturizer to just apply a little bit to the hair piece, and this is just to take away all the frizz and just so that it's not like too dry. And I'm using this hairpiece, and I think this one is from Darling, but you can literally get a hairpiece at any salon. And I'm just using a small section because that's what I was left with. I didn't have like a big enough or thick piece to use. And basically I'm going to use that rubber band and tie it into a knot and use that part that's open to tie it at the back of my hair. You guys will see how I do it in the video. So I'm just going to take a small section of the hair and I'm just going to tie it around the ponytail just to hide the part that I tied with the elastic band, and so that it just looks much more neater and natural and blends in with my hair as well. Also tie the hair into a bun, which is much more neater. Because I was wearing a sequins dress, the ponytail kept on like tugging onto my dress, and that was irritating. So you can have it in a ponytail, or you can have it in a bun, or you can just have it in a braided ponytail, which for me I actually prefer. It's much more neater, and then it lasts longer and it just stays in place the whole day. So yeah, there you have it guys. I did it in a braided ponytail, which I absolutely love. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will catch you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment on this video, and also share it. Maybe someone else might need it. This is a perfect hairstyle for when you don't know what to do with your hair, or maybe you don't have any plans for your hair basically. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.